the glue a little bit inside. It's a bit tight, the grip in between the screen and the body of the phone. Now they have squeezed in more, and I think it's very hard to move, even though it's really thin. It's very hard to move the spudger around the screen. So all you can do is just pull it in and leave it there. So you can't really move it up and down. Okay, it's getting more blackish. Let's try this side instead, because the ink is gonna spread it more because of it's cracked. You can see. Just gonna try the bottom part to pull it up first. It's the best option to go about. See, this is an orange version, which is very apparently new color and very popular. Although I don't like it. It's coming up, as you can see, it's coming off. So I'm gonna use the other side bit. Yeah, now it's coming easy actually. Much easier than I thought it would be. I heated up earlier as well, so it made it life much easier. You can do the same, just heat up a screen. Let's try to switch it off if I can. No, I can't. Try the other way around. Since the damage is right on the top of the screen, then on the side, it's an orange one. See, the ink keeps spreading it because it's just that it's broken very badly. Now you can just see that glue thing. Okay. Go to the other side of it. Just pull it up. Just put a little alcohol there as well. Just soften up a little bit. Then you pull it. Yeah, see, it's coming out. Right, still on. Okay, so here we have, that's good that they have put one shield on the top for both connectors. So let's remove this plus screwdriver from here to get the plate off. The plate is already popping out there. So this, as you can see, it fits in there in the body and then sit down to put the screws on. So that's a good thing they did, so we don't have to take, I think the battery connection is right there as well. So we're gonna get to that in a minute. First get this off from the phone. This is good thing they did. Before we used to have a connection of the battery on the back of the phone, but this is a good change to give at least a battery connection. That's a new one. We're just gonna connect it and then happy sign. Let's remove this film. Takes a while to come on. You can see it's the orange version, which is very popular. Right, let's test the screen out by going to the emergency button. Looks nice display. Colors are bright. Colors good as well. I guess it's bright screen. As you can see, the red color. It's pretty nice. You can just test the screen like that. And it looks alright, not a problem. Let's turn it off. There. And then we'll take it off again. We have to put a sensor bit on the top. First we'll have to take it off from actual screen, which is right here. So we have one more plate to take it off. They've got two screws here actually. One is here, one another for the plate. So we're gonna remove that as well. Is it? Really? Yeah, looks like it. This has a plate, but the other one doesn't have a plate. It's just that kind of ring, metal ring type. This is a plate, so you can just pull it out. There. Now 1, 2, 3 parts are there. So what you're gonna do is put a little bit alcohol again to make it soft. And then what I'm going to do is put it on the heater as well, so it can heat up, so it will give me a kind of flexibility to move a little bit. As you can see, it's gently going in. Don't push it hard. It's very thin flex, so you don't want to get it damaged. So let's try a little bit without heating up if we can. Let's pour in a little bit more. And then just gonna slide up a little bit. Oh yeah. It's going much easier than I thought it would. Hello? Shall I call you in a bit? Huh? Right. So just keep doing it gently. Let's pour in a little bit more. Shall I? Will I? Good. Just gonna use a little bit more to see if we can. Okay, now this sensor bit, have to pick it up gently. This is how the new one looks like it. You can see, and the mic is on the top. Yes. Yeah, it's off. So we have just now the last bit left. This is a mic right there. See if we can pick it up. Yes. So we managed to do it without heating up. So it's here it is, the whole part, sensor bit and the mic bit. Right, so we're gonna apply this on the new screen. Just put it away gently. Still got a sticky, so we don't have to put anything more on it. So this is what we have, a 17 Pro. Let's get the new screen. This is a new screen now. We're gonna put the sensor on it, and we have 2 screws and a plate to put on as well. Just go to the right section. Just make it sit nicely, and that's it, I guess. First we're gonna get the screw. That's a Y screw type. Just put it in the corner right here and right here, and now we have a plate to put on right there, so it can hold the parts down, and it just slides in to this bracket. And same type of screw, like a Y one. So we can now get this screw, and right here. Okay, let's put it down and do a little bit more tight. Yeah, that's fine. This is fine too. Yes, I don't have to worry about being lifting up a little bit, I guess, because it's going to sit down on the phone. So here we have, so we need to go put the connections here and put the plate on the top and the bottom in the bed. Let's put this connection on. This is done. Second connection for the sensors. Just to make sure that's connected properly. Let's get the plate. Now plate fits in like this. It slides in a little bit, so we gotta push that part inside first, then drop it down there. We'll get the plus screwdriver. It is a plus one, is it? Yeah, it is. We're gonna put that screw right on the top of the shield, and it's on. Oh, I should have put the other part first. Nevertheless, it's still squeezed. Let's test the screen one more time, and before we just shut it down. Test that out, go to emergency, dial the number, and slider to try to switch it off, but it works fine. We'll keep it on. I want to see the white background before I close it, so I could feel the pressure on the screen if there is any applied. But you put these clips on the top first in the body, and then push towards upward, and then slide it towards the middle. Same thing, push it upward and then slide your thumb in between the screen, right in the middle. So it looks fine here. This looks a little popping, but I think it's fine. It's not original, so we have left with the 2 bottom screws to put on, and then we are done. There you go. This is a pentalobe type, like a star type shape screws. You can just put that on. There. So all done. Looks good. Check the slider again. Right.